Okay, Nintendo Switch. Let's take a look. Yep, I would say it has a little bit of a problem. Give you a good look at this mess. That is kind of a disaster. I'd say it's pretty likely, though we have gotten lucky on occasion, that we're going to have secondary issues with that one. Anyway, we got to get it apart and take the port off and go from there. Okay, the first thing we have to do before we can do anything else is remove this port. It will serve nothing to try and do measurements or anything like that, or with this port still on the board. All those pins touching. No point. So let's get started. Okay, let's see how we did. Alright, doesn't look like we pulled any pads. Make sure we don't have any bridges. Looks good. Alright, we can perform some tests now. Alright, grab our meter leads. We'll start around M92 T36. And we'll start with the cap that leads to P13 USB. Okay, that's measuring okay, but that does not mean the end all be all. We have run into the occasion where this will measure good, but it'll still be bad on the other side. Okay. As you can see, I'm measuring signal lines, where you see the traces going back to the chip. We may have gotten lucky again. May have gotten lucky again. Okay, I'm going to measure around these MOSFETs. Okay. Check our filter. Okay. No short on 15. Let's check around BQ24193. Coil seems okay. Everything seems okay around BQ24193. I'm going to flip it around and measure around P13 USB. They ended up with no collateral damage with that port. That is pure luck. We want it to be continuous straight through, not side to side. Okay, let's check our big cap under P13 USB. And it's good. How lucky are these people? Looks like all they're going to need is a port change. Alright, flip the board over and we will get started on the port. Okay, I guess we're ready for a test. If you'll look down in the left-hand corner, that is my bench PSU. Okay, that seems normal. Flip it around. That seems normal. That's a little unusual that's just sitting there. Okay. Well, let's test one more time around M92, just to be sure. Just to be sure. Okay. Everything seems okay. We'll put it back together and we'll put it at least enough to do a test. Go from there. Okay, we're ready to perform a test with my known good battery. See what happens. We'll put it on the PSU. This battery is pretty much full. Alright, see if I can get it in screen completely this time. Okay, full logo. Alright, full touch. Okay, let's try the other side. Alright. Looks good. It looks like it's charging on both sides. We will finish reassembling. I'll let it charge on its own battery for a while and go from there. Okay, update. I have plugged my Joy-Cons in. I did not get Joy-Cons with this one. It's charging both Joy-Cons just fine. It's working fine. It's charging itself fine. Next thing up is a dock test, and I'll set up for that and be back. Okay, and as you can see, it is docking and working fine. That will be it for this video. If you have any questions about the equipment I use in this video, it's down in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.